Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Simone if you're new here. Today's video I'm going to be showing you how I did this easy everyday makeup look using products that you'll definitely already have at home. So if you guys want to see how I did that, then just keep on watching. Just going to zoom you in. So you can start off using any face powder that you like. I just happen to have a MAC one on hand. So I'm just going to grab a fluffy brush and a little bit of that product. And I'm just going to start by blending that in the crease. And I really want to sort of focus that just on the front section of the eye. So today's going to be a nice little matte look. And I'm just going to blend that right up to the eyebrow. So this is just a really like natural base just to make sure that my eyeshadow primer is all set. And that we have a nice base for it to go on. Okay, then I'm going to go and use the same fluffy brush and I'm just going to use my bronzer. The one I've chosen to use today is just my MAC Gimme Sun, just because I had it handy, but you can use any bronzer that you like. And I'm just going to focus that on the outer corner and up through the crease. So I want to make sure that I don't come into this section here. I want to keep that section nice and neutral. So just doing half of the eyelid. Now I'm going to change brush size. So I'm just going to change down to a smaller brush, still with the same product. If you don't have a smaller brush, what you can do is just hold your brush like this. We just want it to be a little bit more dense, and I'm just going to focus that right on the outer corner. So all this does is just make it a little bit deeper color on the outer corner, but you're still using the same shade. So just want to keep that close to the lash line, and I'm going to run that underneath the lash line on the bottom as well. I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. So now I'm just going to go in using a brow powder. So you can use any shade you want. So I'm just using a brow powder because it's what I have. You can use any type of dark eyeshadow that you want to use, whatever you've got on hand that's slightly darker than your bronzer. And you just want to use that on a flat brush. You can use a flat brush, you can use a little bullet brush, and you can even use the same brush that you used before. So it really doesn't matter. But you just want to keep this darker shadow really, really close to your lash line and only on the outer half. And then you just want to pop a tiny bit on the lower half of the lash line as well, but only on the outside. I'm just going to go in using that same smaller brush that I used before, just to like blend that out. And I'm just going to add a little bit more product. And that's all you need to do. So I'm just going to do the same on the other eye. So I'm just going ahead and just giving it one more blend just to make sure that everything is nice and soft. All right, so that's all you need to do. Now to intensify this a little bit, this step is optional. I'm just gonna add a bit of brown eyeliner. So today I'm just gonna be using my Thin Lizzy, and I'm just gonna add that on my outer corner. You really only want to go about halfway with this. And I'm going to pop that on my lower waterline as well. Again, I'm making sure I'm not coming all the way into the center. Can you see the difference between eyeliner and no eyeliner? Especially on the waterline. It just gives it a little bit more definition and just kind of sort of amplifies the look a little bit. So you could take it from, you know, easy everyday to a little bit night just by adding a little bit of liner. Okay, so another step that's also optional is if you happen to have a highlighter on hand, you can use any brush you like. You can even use your finger for highlighter. You can either just pop it on the inner corner, today I'm just using a it's a Mecca Cosmetica Double Glam highlighter. Oh, I've got an eyelash. So you can either just pop that on the waterline, or you can go ahead and pop that on that first half that we left blank before. So this step probably works a little bit better if you just use your finger. There we go, now we have a extra glam everyday look. So I'm just gonna go ahead and pop my mascara on. Just gonna zoom you guys out. So if you guys have watched my channel before, you'll know that I love the Benefit Roller Lash Mascara. Mine is still out, so I use the wand and I pop it in my Revlon mascara. I don't recommend that you do this, so do as I say, not as I do. I will be getting a new one, but I'm just trying to use up, I have like 5 mascaras and I hate the wands on them. So I'm just trying to use up those products before I go and purchase a new Benefit one, because they're like, it's almost $50 or something. It's just so expensive. And I haven't been working since March and we're now in September, so I am trying really, really hard not to buy new products. In saying that, I did just buy some stuff from Mecca yesterday. I did just buy some stuff from Mecca yesterday. I bought 2 more of the Zoom sticks and I'm trying out their off-duty concealer, off-duty blush and contour sticks. So video coming soon for that. Okay, so while I have you here, I'm just gonna quickly finish off the rest of my face. So I'm gonna use my MAC Gimme Sun bronzer. just a light layer of that. I'm gonna use the highlighter. There you have it, and that's today's look. And I'm just using an Elizabeth Arden moisture stick. I love this. This is like my favorite, and I definitely will be repurchasing this. I just use that on my lips, and that's all I would do for an everyday look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup look. If you did, please leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to give my video a big thumbs up. I post new videos every Tuesday, and occasionally you'll get a bonus video on a Friday. So if you guys want to see more from me, then hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you next week.